Welcome to Note Boost Biology. Today, we'll explore the differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells and learn how to use orders of magnitude to compare organism sizes. Let's get started. Eukaryotic versus prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotes are organisms whose cells contain a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, such as mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. Examples include animals, plants, fungi, and protists. Prokaryotes, on the other hand, are single-celled organisms lacking a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Bacteria and archaea are prokaryotes. Eukaryotes are generally larger and more complex than prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are single-celled organisms, whereas eukaryotes can be unicellular or multicellular. Using orders of magnitude, OM. An order of magnitude is a factor of 10 between two numbers. For example, let's compare the size of a human cell, 10 micrometer, and a bacterial cell, 1 micrometer. The bacterial cell is one order of magnitude smaller than the human cell. By using orders of magnitude, we can easily compare sizes of organisms, from tiny bacteria to massive blue whales. Demo: comparing organism sizes using OM. Let's compare the size of a virus, 0.1 micrometer, a bacterial cell, 1 micrometer, and a human cell, 10 micrometer. From this comparison, we can see that the virus is one order of magnitude smaller than the bacterial cell, and the bacterial cell is one order of magnitude smaller than the human cell. Quiz time. Which type of cell contains membrane-bound organelles? The correct answer is A. Eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria and the endoplasmic reticulum. Which type of cell is generally larger and more complex? The correct answer is A. Eukaryotic cells are generally larger and more complex than prokaryotic cells. How can we compare sizes of organisms? The correct answer is A. We can use orders of magnitude to compare organism sizes. Which of the following is generally smaller in size? The correct answer is A. Prokaryotic cells are generally smaller and simpler than eukaryotic cells. What is the difference between each order of magnitude? The correct answer is C. An order of magnitude is a factor of 10 between two numbers. Which cell is one order of magnitude smaller than a human cell, 10 micrometer? The correct answer is B. The bacterial cell is one order of magnitude smaller than the human cell. Are eukaryotes unicellular or multicellular? The correct answer is C. Eukaryotes can be unicellular, e.g., yeast, or multicellular, e.g., humans. Well done on completing today's Note Boost Biology lesson. Now you have a better understanding of the differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, and how to use orders of magnitude to compare organism sizes. Stay tuned for more engaging content on biology topics.